8th grade Open Up Resources Illustrative Mathematics. Unit 7, Lesson 7. Practice with rational bases. Problem number 1. Write with a single exponent. A. 7 to the power of 6 over 7 to the power of 2. That's 7 times itself 6 times divided by 7 times itself twice. We could cancel out 7 times 7 on top and 7 times 7 on the bottom. 7 times 7 divided by 7 times 7 is 1, so we can replace that with a 1, and we're left with 7 to the power of 4 over 1, which is 7 to the power of 4. B. 11 to the power of 4, all to the power of 5. That means we have 11 to the power of 4 times itself 5 times. Since there's an exponent on the outside of the parentheses, we're going to multiply these exponents. 4 times 5 equals 20. So our answer would be 11 to the power of 20. C. 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 6. 4 to the power of 2 would be 4 times 4, and 4 to the power of 6 would be 4 times itself 6 different times, for a total of 4 times itself 8 times. So our answer would be 4 to the power of 8. We just added the exponents. 2 plus 6 is 8. D. 6 times 6 to the power of 8. Well, 6 would be 6, and then 6 to the power of 8 is 6 times itself 8 times. So that would be a total of 6 times itself 9 different times, or 6 to the power of 9. Since 6 is the same as 6 to the power of 1, we really just added the exponents. The invisible exponent 1 plus 8 equals 9. E. 12 to the power of 2, all to the power of 7. That would be 12 to the power of 2 times itself 7 different times. Since we have the exponent on the outside of the parentheses, we're going to multiply these exponents. 2 times 7 equals 14. So that would be a total of 12 to the power of 14. F. 3 to the power of 10 over 3. That's the same as 3 times itself 10 different times on top, divided by 3. We'll cancel out the 3 on the bottom and one of the 3's on the top, and we'll replace those with 1. So we're left with 3 to the power of 9 over 1, which is equal to 3 to the power of 9. If you think about it, we really subtracted the exponents. 10 minus the invisible 1 exponent. 10 minus 1 is 9. G. 0.173 to the power of 9 times 0.173 to the power of 2. That's 0.173 times itself 9 different times, and then multiplying itself times 0.173 2 more times, for a total of 11 times. So the answer would be 0.173 to the power of 11. You can see here we just added the exponents. 9 plus 2 is 11. H. 0.87 to the power of 5 divided by 0.87 to the power of 3. Cancel out 0.87 times itself 3 times from the bottom, and we canceled that out 3 times from the top, leaving just 0.87 times itself 2 times. So our answer would be 0.87 to the power of 2. If you notice, we subtracted the exponents. 5 minus 3 is 2. I. 5 halves to the power of 8 divided by 5 halves to the power of 6. Cancel out all 6 from the bottom and cancel out 6 of the 8 on the top. That leaves 5 halves times 5 halves. Since that's over 1, it's the same as 5 halves to the power of 2 divided by 1, which is 5 halves to the power of 2. Problem number 2. Noah says that 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2 equals 6 to the power of 6. Tyler says that 2 to the power of 4 times 4 to the power of 2 equals 16 to the power of 2. A. Do you agree with Noah? Explain or show your reasoning. 2 to the power of 4 means 2 times itself 4 times. times 3 to the power of 2. That means multiply times 3 times itself twice. So you would end up with 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And that does not equal 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. So I disagree with Noah. B. Do you agree with Tyler? Explain or show your reasoning. 2 to the 4th power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and 4 to the 2nd power is 4 times 4. So the question is, does 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 4 times 4 equal 16 times 16? 16 times 16 is 256, and 2 to the power of 4 times 4 to the power of 2 also equals 256. Because 2 times 2 is 4, again, 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. And 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 16 equals 256. So I do agree with Tyler. Be sure to support my YouTube channel by liking this video, leaving a comment, and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.